your kappa with me Nambi. In today's video, I'm going to be making yet again another Naga dish, Naga pork dish with lots and lots of chilies of course, and with a little bit of a twist, I'm going to be making use of bitter gourd. Who would have thought that pork and bitter gourd would make an amazing combination? I just tried it before I shot the intro video and it's absolutely delicious. You have my words. So let's get started. To make this dish, the ingredients are 500 grams of pork, 150 to 200 grams of bitter gourd, 15 to 20 or more dry red chilies, 3 tablespoon bamboo shoot water or 1 tablespoon fermented bamboo shoot, or about 2 to 3 large tomatoes, 1 tablespoon Sichuan pepper, locally known as mishinga seeds, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste. Before we start the cooking process, tear the dry red chilies and soak them in water to soften them. Once soft, hand pound them or blitz in mixer to make a coarse paste. Also, the Sichuan pepper or the mishinga seeds, as it is known locally, has to be roasted for a couple of minutes and crushed to a coarse powder. In a deep vessel, drop in the pork, chili paste, salt and some water. Allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. After about 15-20 minutes of cooking, add in the tomatoes. I don't have fermented bamboo shoots for the recipe and it's quite hard to find them in Chennai, so I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tomatoes to make up for the sourness that comes from the bamboo shoots. Roughly chop the bitter gourd. I have chopped them into big size and I am not scooping out the seed part of it as this one is still tender. Also at this point add in half of the ginger garlic paste and drop in the bitter gourd. Traditionally, small bitter gourds are used. They have their own distinct taste, but large ones will also do. Let the pork and bitter gourd cook till they are tender, and just before you take them off the stove, add the Sichuan pepper and the remaining ginger garlic paste. Give a good stir and then take it off the stove immediately. Also, if you do not have Sichuan pepper, you can make use of black pepper with a little bit of lemon zest to get the zingy effect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and make yourself a pork with bitter gourd at home. And if you have such amazing recipes and if you feel like sharing, please feel free to email me at eatyourakappa@gmail.com or message me in Instagram or Facebook or whatever you feel comfortable with. And if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like and share. And this channel is all about Northeastern food culture and everything nice. Until then, I'll see you next week with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Take care, stay safe and stay indoors.